Hey everybody, welcome to Arbitrage Family. Today we're going to take you into the Dollar General to show you exactly what items to buy for the deals that we came up with. One of them is even the $5 challenge. Alright, so we just got into the Dollar General, and one thing that I suggest that you always do is log into their Wi-Fi, because I never can get on to my phone's internet inside their stores. So get onto their Wi-Fi to be able to check the prices, okay? Alright, so the next thing that you want to do after you get in the store, get logged into their Wi-Fi, open up the Dollar General app, and then we're going to scan here. The first thing that we're going to get is 3 of these Continentals. And I always like to make sure that I scan everything before I buy it. So let's see if we can scan it. And so if you look here, yes, the $1 digital is attaching. Now, these Continentals have an instant savings. So you have to spend an additional $3 above the $25 tomorrow in order to get the $5 off. Now, this deal also calls for buying 2 Glade solids. They are $1 each, but you want to scan them to make sure that they are attaching in the app. The only ones that I know for sure are attaching are the Hawaiian Breeze and then I believe the Clean Linen. Let's make sure. Let's see here. Yep. Both the Hawaiian Breeze and the Clean Linen are attaching. And so let's scan one of the others just to make sure. Like the Lemon Fresh. Let's see if the Lemon Fresh is attaching. Yeah, see? So this is why you want to make sure that you scan everything in the store. The Lemon Fresh one is not attaching. The Tide Simply is way up there at the store, but I have some with me already. I grabbed it, and we're going to scan it to make sure that it works. Scanned it, and the $2 coupon does come off, so that's the one we need. Alright, so the razors that we're going to pick up are these. They're $3.30. But again, you want to check to make sure that in the app it's attaching. And right there it is. So it makes it 30 cents. So these are the items that you'll need for your first haul at Dollar General tomorrow. You'll need 3 Continentals, a Tide Simply, a Centrum Silver, 2 Glades, and a Bic. Your subtotal is going to be $28.25. $3 instant savings, $16 in coupons, making this just $9.25 before tax. And here are the products you'll need in order to get my under $5 deal. You need the Centrum Silver, a Tide Simply, a CoverGirl eye product, a Bic Soul, and 2 Tidy Cats. This Dollar General actually still has a lot of makeup still on clearance. So I found this one and it's marked on clearance. So let's check to see if it works with our coupon. And it does. So it's only 75 cents instead of $3.75. And the $3 coupon comes off on it. So it'd make our out-of-pocket cost even lower than what I have. Your subtotal is going to be $26.25. Your coupon is going to be $22.50, making this $3.75, smashing the $5 challenge. So thank you everybody for joining us there in the Dollar General. I think we are able to find everything that we are looking for in order to show you some of the best deals that we came up with. And so if you haven't already, please subscribe and like the video. We'll see you next time.